3 months ago, I had a dead YouTube channel and I decided to revive it. And this is it now. Wait, you really thought I was just gonna show you it like that? Come on, let's go into the story. I worked on this channel for about 2 years and had no luck. From commentary would you rather shorts to Roblox to edits to reactions to everything. And it got to 10,000 subscribers. But nothing worked, nothing. I posted everything, tried all the techniques, tried all the strategies, but it became dead. And I left it alone for the whole year. But no way I was just gonna give up that easy. Because I don't give up. That's the message of this channel. We do not give up. So I decided to revive it. And this is the strategy. Now, we gotta choose what content we're gonna make on this channel because there's a lot of different areas on YouTube that we create. So we gotta choose one that we can niche down. First, let's talk about the sports niche. This one requires a lot of research because you gotta know your facts about the sport or people are gonna get really mad at you. Second, it's the celebrity gossip niche where you talk about drama and things that happen in the media with celebrities. Then we're talking about the animation niche where people are like Zaki Films and all these other animation channels, but it requires a high startup cost. Then there's a little thing that not many people are aware of. It's called the commentary niche. And this doesn't require a lot of startup costs. It's a little easier to go viral, but there's a little dangerous thing about it that I'll talk about later in the video. Because this is actually way more than you think. Inside the commentary niche, there's actually many categories we can choose from. But what I'm gonna choose is the generic niche / wholesome clips niche. Because for me, it's the easiest to find. I can find it on Instagram, Reddit, literally anywhere. Now, how do I make these commentary shorts? First, you gotta write a very good script. Because if you don't add hooks, transitions, and a good call to action at the end, the short is obviously dead. Then after, get your voiceover, your effects, your audio, your edits, and then that's the commentary short. But there's actually a crazy, wait, chill. It's my turn now. You didn't even say it. Hey, it's Robot Tiago here, and this guy did not even say the most important thing yet. How to get monetized in YouTube Shorts. You can either get 4,000 watch hours or 10 million views on Shorts. And this guy is probably gonna go for the 10 million views on Shorts, which he has no chance for. And usually these Shorts, the RPM goes from either 15 cents to about 25 cents USD, 1,000 views. So if you can get monetized, you can start making some money. But I don't think this guy is gonna get monetized. Okay, fine. Maybe. Time to make the first shorts of the channel. I already found the videos I'm going to be starting for my new channel, and here's a few of them you can see. And the plan for this week is to schedule the videos each day one by one, and after 1 week see how the channel is doing. See what should I change, what should I do better, and then after I can make a new plan of attack for this challenge. Time to make them shorts, baby. Okay, time to give you guys the best update in history. So, we're going crazy on this channel. We're freaking going crazy. We gained 600 subs in 1 day, and the graph's going up. Just look at that real time. 300,000 views in 48 hours. But I've been inconsistent because of school exams. I can't do anything about that. 6 shorts, only 6, and 2 of them went viral already. Just look at this. It's going crazy, these shorts. And it's still going up. It can possibly hit 1 million views. So we're cooking right now. Have we already revived this channel? Because we're at 13,000 subs right now. We're getting about 12,000 views an hour. And this channel is on track to get to possibly 30,000 subs this month. But I gotta continue posting because I just can't stop posting. Okay. Guys, I am scared to say it though. I'm scared to say it. We can get monetized in 1 freaking month. Wait, let me do the money then. Okay, I'm sorry, that was bad. I'm probably gonna go cry now. This is the first time things are going well this fast on the channel. And for the next few days, I made sure to take advantage of this momentum. The amount of subscribers I have is something I've never had before. Feels like I have grown into a new era. In none of my channels before I have ever reached this amount of subscribers in 10 videos. Is this the first blow up? Is this it? Because if I continue like this, the next 100K subs and $1,000 made will be the easiest challenge of my life. And the videos are doing extremely well, and The scripts. Let me tell you about the script. Let me just show you the hook of what I used. This young man thought he could take on a chef with 30 years of experience and See, it just catches the audience right away. And if you want to make a short like this, you must copy the same type of hook. I'm telling you, it does work. If you can copy the same type of hook and then after add the twist, your short will go viral like mine. I got a concussion and I can't look at screens. And also my most viral video has got hit with YouTube Kids or whatever, and I appealed it and it still didn't get appealed back. So then also my most viral video is done for. So my momentum's gone, most viral video gone. I got a concussion, so I can't do anything for 9 days. And it's during exam period at my school, so it's not very, I don't know, it's just very bad. It's just very bad. So gotta wait 9 days until I can even look at a screen again. And let's see where this goes. Okay, so basically it was 10 days off, but let's just see how it goes. Because I'm not very excited to check the analytics, but let's just see, man. Because I don't know. Wait. Bro, yo, this is real. This is fake. I probably got like 32,000 subscribers. 32,000 subscribers. And you know what? You know where I got these views from? It's from that freaking video I said. They turned it into the YouTube Kids content. And that video, even though it's YouTube Kids content, I don't know why, it's still gaining views. Look at this. It's still gaining views 10 days. And I didn't check my analytics or nothing, bro. What? Bro, freaking... Like, I don't know how it's going viral, that video. Bro, what the hell, man? I got lucky. Bro, I don't even, I'm speechless. I got nothing to say. But the challenge is still on, bro. The challenge is still on. I think it's like almost 2 months left, I think. It's going good. The channel's going good. I'm feeling good. After that break, I still feel dizzy, but it's fine. It's fine. We're like, we just got freaking monetized, baby. I actually applied for this a few days ago, and we got monetized. After the big momentum, we're going up, baby. We have to put in this work. We got monetized. Now we can start making that money. Man, that was so crazy. I'm sorry. I'm gonna go sleep. We are doing very well right now. 33,900 subs, 9 million views in the past month. It's only our first month. This is basically the monthly recap. Look how many subs we gained this month. Just look at that. And look how close we are to getting monetization. Only 800,000 views away. Then we start making that dough. After all the things that bad happened to me, good things are finally starting to happen. I don't want to jinx it though. And also, we're part of the Christmas spirit. It's snow outside. Look at the snow coming down. Yeah, that was cringe. But we are not stopping here. We're only going stronger from here. Because these are the times that I have to take advantage. Because I want to get my first plaque, baby. And it's gonna go. Yeah, I might actually put on top of my printer. See my printer right there? It'll look pretty nice. Turn it off! So we made about $64 in about 5 days, which is not bad. And the thing is, we only have about 1 month and 15 days left to get 100K subscribers and hit our first $1,000. And I'm not gonna lie, I think we can breeze through the $1,000 with the month left, but I don't know about the 100K subs because I only have 35K. But it's not doing that bad, the shorts right here. And I do believe if I continue being consistent with the shorts, it can do well. Like for example, my biggest short has 6.2 million and it just got monetized, getting $59, which is not bad. That was our biggest money maker right now. And our top shorts is 6.2 million, 4.9 million, and then 28,000. So the big carriers of the channel is these two shorts. I think we can get a few more. But the thing is, I only have 1 month and 15 days left in order to get 100,000 subs and make my first $1,000, which is not a lot of time. The real question is, can we do it? Deep down, I knew that things were not going well. Videos were flopping again and again and again, and I just didn't understand. That's when I realized I need to learn. I had to learn what made a video go viral. Things were static, but I just had a big desire to make things work. I have never gotten this feeling before. It was like a little passion of learning. Alright, let me tell you the results of the challenge. We didn't end up hitting the goal of our goals from the start, 100k subs and $1,000 made. But we did make some money. Bro, I see you getting mad. Chill. Let me explain why it didn't work and what are the things I'm gonna do better. Everything improved. The scripts, the hooks, the editing, everything. And now let me show you analytics before I tell you something big that I learned. So here are the analytics. So in the past 3 months, you can see we made about 12 million views. And you can see in the first month we dropped off, and then after, and this month we dropped off the most because I wasn't consistent enough and I was just trying to learn. So this is the channel of the challenge in the past 90 days. And then as you can see here, the revenue, we made about this much. It's not that good. In the past 9 days we made this 157.60. so that's what we got in the past 90 days. I'm not super happy about it, but let me explain what happened. Alright, so the reason why it just didn't go good is because I was reusing popular clips that other commentary creators were already using. So YouTube is gonna look at it like as a crap copy of the version, because already 100 other channels would be using the same viral clip, and I would just be using their clip as well. Because I would go to shorts, and then after I realized that, oh, this has already been used by a lot of commentary YouTubers. So that is one of the main reasons I believe the shorts didn't do well. And now for the new plan for the next video is, oh wait, I just peeked. There's gonna be a part 2 of this video. The new plan is I'm gonna be finding all the clips myself. All the clips are gonna be the only ones on YouTube, only recent viral videos, because I'm gonna be working hard to find those clips. Now for part 2 of this video. If you guys want to look at part 2 of this revive of this video, subscribe, hit the like button, type in the comments. Also in about 5 seconds, a video is gonna pop up where it's gonna show where I ran my first ever YouTube Shorts channel, and you guys can watch the whole journey. Thank you guys all for watching, and